for this particular video, I have something which looks very similar to a previous video back in my queue. This is a Nutromo Blu-ray player, okay? This is a portable Blu-ray player that can also be used to rip music CDs, okay? More about that in a little bit. But I was told the version I had before was actually the 2025 model. So I want to go ahead and do a quick review here of the 2026, and we'll see if there's any differences or not. Okay, again, this is model EVP 203, but this is the 2026 model. I will have a link for this new model right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, okay? You can see this is how it comes from Amazon in a very delightful little package. This is a Region A1 Blu-ray disc player, okay? It does feature full HD, okay, 1080p. Now, one complaint that I have about this is that Amazon, no fault of the manufacturer, Amazon shipped it just like this, okay, with a receiving sticker here on the back side, okay? So I wish Amazon, if you're watching this, please put them in another box. This could be a gift or something. You want to keep the box nice, you know, and UPS throw boxes around, blah, blah, blah. So you want to make sure that it's well protected. I do get a lot of things from Amazon in extra boxes. Maybe it's some new trend. Maybe I just got unlucky, but this time they did ship it just like this without a outer, like a box, this box in another box, okay? And I always take off a point or two for that. So shame on you, Amazon, all right? All right, taking a look here at the side, we got a little barcode for you, all the usual niceties. On the back here, just talk about the specs and such, nothing too major, kind of clear. Very giftable. You can easily wrap this up. Let's go ahead and open this up here for you and check out the innards, if you will. Okay, popping this open here. These guys are really nice. They have a nice little welcome package when you open up their products. And I have had their products in the past. You go back in my queue, you'll see it's a brand which I like a lot. It's a brand which isn't terribly expensive, but they offer huge value. And their players are really solid too. So I like that a lot. Inside here, we got a couple little things we'll pull out for you just to check out here. Of course, this is the little user manual. Nice and colorful outside. Nice card stock. Decent. I think it's black and white on the inside. Yeah, black and white on the inside, but goes through. It's very thorough. Got a few languages going on in there. Talks about how to use the player, different things, what the different holes are for, power cable, AV, HDMI cable, etc., etc. We'll cover more about that in a second. Talks about the full featured remote, which is actually a good step up compared to a lot of remote controls in these bargain players, you know. So very cool stuff. Nothing too amazing, but I just wanted to show you. Nice little book. They do have a nice little card here, okay? Talks about 3-year warranty. Now, that is something which is unusual. A lot of players only give you, like, maybe a year warranty or something, but to give you 3 years, and if you buy it, like, on like Amex or something where they give you like an extra year warranty or something, that is a pretty long warranty for a value Blu-ray player. So very cool. And then here is a little thing for contacts. I always appreciate when brands put like a contact sheet in there because it really shows something, okay? It shows that they care about their product and they trust the product is good enough that they're not going to be bugged by purchasers, by customers all the time, you know? So these guys believe in their product. They have all the social contacts, phone number, email, like Facebook, YouTube, everything you need right there, and even a little like a little wee testimonial about the company here too, which is nice, you know, and even a QR code. So very good stuff. Appreciate it, guys. I know you guys care about your products, so that's cool. I think that's awesome when companies do that. So other companies take note, okay? All right, inside the little box here, we got some different things. We have remote control, and you know, this is a pretty nice remote control for being a bargain player. I'll pull this out. My only complaint is the fact that it does not come with batteries. Like, it would have killed them to put in like 2 AAA batteries, like little Chinese AAA batteries in there or something, you know. Like, I think they could probably stick in some value AAAs. But anyway, for the remote being like kind of a value player, it's not bad. It's got slow. It's got, you know, all the little things like setup. It's got things which you don't always find, like sub audios and the little zoom and all this good stuff. This is actually much more remote control than you find with most value players. So nice, good job. Another nice little touch is this right here, okay? And what is special about this is a, from here you got AV out, okay? And what's cool about that is the fact that you can actually rip music CDs, okay? So you can pop a music CD in here, and I have a lot of videos on audio, and if that's what brought you here, let me know in the comments, but if you want more detail about ripping. But it's great that this unit here does have, you know, a easy way, and it connects here with this little pin, and here you have red, blue, I'm sorry, red, yellow, and white. Okay, yellow's video, red and white are audio left and right channel. And you can easily plug this into something else, okay, like a computer or like an amplifier, or there's lots of ways of getting audio from here onto something else. And you do need some software programs, it just, not to take this video off track, but things like if you are looking to rip CDs, making your own high quality MP3s, Windows Media Player has a built-in ripping program, which is really good. There's something which is Exact Audio Copy. EAC is a free and very accurate, high quality ripper. There's also other things. Let's see here. Music B is one I got a note here for that people say they like a lot. And dBpoweramp CD ripper is very good too. So there's just a couple different options if you're looking at getting into ripping your own CDs into MP3 or audio files. But it's cool they have this. Not all units have this like this, so it makes it very easy. And the fact they include this cable is a good like $6 value. So that's really nice they do that, especially for audiophiles who just want to rip some CDs and stuff. Not bad, not super expensive. The player, you can check the most current price with the Amazon link in the description, but I want to say it's about $80 roughly, and that's a small price of admission to be able to rip your own music collection, okay? So that's really good, to tell you the truth, okay? It does have a power supply here, and there's just a couple pros and cons here. Love the form factor, it's nice and small. It's like it can fit onto a power strip very nicely. It's not going to take up like the width-wise. Like if this was the power strip here, if this is a power strip, it's not taking up like several plugs worth. It goes like this. So it's very narrow width-wise, okay, which is really good for being able to fit easily onto a power strip. Con side is I kind of wish this was like USB-C, okay? It's a proprietary power source, so you have to have their power supply. So if this ever does go bad, then you're gonna have to like work to get another one that's the right voltage, and that probably wouldn't be terribly hard, to be honest with you. And this does come with that 3-year warranty, so they really stand behind their product. So I don't think you'll have a problem, but that might be a future version. They might want to update that and just make it like USB-C, just a thought, okay? And then finally here, there is another HDMI cable, and I talk about this quite a bit, is I love new cables with new devices, and the fact they include this is great, because this, I'm not going to use this right away. If you guys know my channel, I use usually more expensive like Silkland or different like high-end, like 8K cables, that kind of thing, but it's a situation where I love having extra cables, because you never quite know when your cable's gonna die, and hopefully it won't. Especially quality cables really don't die frequently, but it's good to have extra cables. So I have a box full of these extra cables. It's awesome to be able to have a backup just in case, especially when you live on a little island. I live in Key West. There's no Best Buys nearby. There's no stores nearby that really have HDMI cables. So it's good to have extras, okay? All right, finally, guys, here is the player itself. Let me show you this little beauty here, and we'll just get that out of the way. You can see this is only a little bit bigger than what a portable CD player is. Okay, so interesting. It's just a little bigger. You can tell, especially when you open it here, you can see that's like the size of a CD player, that little corner right there. So it's got about an extra inch both directions, like L-shaped inch of extra space. I wonder if they could have just fit this into like a CD player size. I wonder, the manufacturer, if you guys watch this video, write me, okay, tuxtoys@gmail.com. I would love to hear like your logic behind making it this size. Did you think it'd be more impressive because it'd be larger? Or is there like an airflow issue where you want more room? It looks like it has great airflow. Like, in fact, I can see through the vent here, through the Blu-ray player, the mechanism. So it looks like there's definitely some great airflow in here, which it could make it last longer too. Maybe that's how you get that 3-year warranty. But anyway, great looking player, good amount of weight, feels comfortable. On the front here, we have the eject button again. Just pop that, pops right up, very easy. On the side here, we got our power supply, okay, play, pause, and this is the output. Okay, or actually strike that. This right here is USB, okay? And what makes that special is the fact that you could actually plug in a flash drive full of your favorite MP3 tracks, okay? So that's pretty cool too. That's a whole nother thing where you can actually plug in, you can download a bunch of anime or movies or whatever you like, music, whatever, plug it in there and turn this little thing into kind of like a little portable jukebox, or, a video player of, audio and video files you get from the internet, which is cool. And then right here, this is that AV out we were talking about, and that is where you plug in your cable right here, goes in. Let me show you. We're gonna plug it in just like that, okay? I think there's a song. just like that, yeah. And then these here you can plug into an amplifier or something different for either watching through a TV set, like an old school RCA plug kind of TV set, or you can use for ripping music. Okay, so very cool. Up on the back here, we have the power supply. That's where you plug in your proprietary power source, just like that, very easy. And there's a spot for the HDMI cable, okay? Very cool stuff. Okay, to recap, this is a great little Blu-ray player. You know, this type of thing where you can use it for watching movies. You could easily take it on the road with you. I'm sure you could easily convert this from like a power supply like this into a car adapter and be able to watch it on the road. It's great, this little teeny form factor, you know. And even if you are using it at home, it would easily plug into your home AV setup or your TV, you know, via HDMI or even old school cables. So very cool stuff, guys. Not a huge price. And again, if you're thinking about actually ripping some music files for an MP3 player or a DAP, this type of thing where this could actually be the home source, the output device from the CD to your next device, like computer or whatever, to be able to actually rip those music files, which is, again, the best way of getting your own high quality music files, because then you can control exactly what quality it is, what format it's in, etc., and it's something where you actually own it, which is cool. So if you guys have any question about this Blu-ray player, let me know in the comments below. It's the type of thing I think you guys know how to plug it in. So for this particular unboxing, I'm not going to plug it in. But if you want to see more, I could always do a follow-up video and go even more in depth of it. But again, I've had these players before. I've used them. This brand, I like it a lot. And the fact that they have a new 2026 model is pretty cool, you know, and the fact that you get all the cool accessories and you can rip music CDs is amazing, okay? All right, friends, I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Again, any questions, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? We'll talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye. Click the link.